welcome back to Pappy Tinkers. And today is a very special day. In case you didn't know, today is Valentine's Day. And if you didn't get a box of chocolates or card or flowers or whatever, don't feel bad, neither did I. But maybe I can make your day a little bit better. Because today is also the day that I picked the winner of the Pay It Forward drawing. So maybe you are going to get something special. If you don't remember, old Zippy put one up a little while ago and he gave away this Mustang. And this Mustang. And I won it. He also threw in another Mustang that I keep and that I am keeping because I like it. I like the Fox bodies. But to keep it going forward, I added this one instead. So today we're going to pick the drawing. We're going to pick the winner of these two kits, and it's going to be your choice whether you keep one, keep them both, keep one for yourself and pay it forward with another one. It's all up to you. As I said before, you only had to be a subscriber and want to build a model. So that's what we're going to do today. Now this is my first giveaway or anything like that I've done. So I'm going to try to keep this all in one shoot, so that everybody knows everything's, on the up and up. So I'm going to apologize if there's dogs barking in the background or kind of like that. I have my squirt bottle here handy to usher up a little bit, and hopefully they won't bounce into the tripod, but the tripod will move as I come over here and try to use the stuff. Okay, let's bring you over. And again, I apologize for all this stuff. I take that, move that a little bit out of the way, and we'll up here. We'll open it up and we'll go to videos and me. I really had this all set up, and why it didn't stay that way, I can't tell you. So here's the video of this one, and we're going to turn that volume down because I'm sure you don't want to do that. And in the comment section you'll see everybody that entered this. There are two people that did not want to win a prize, and one of them is Rambler69. Tom said he's not going to be in this one again, as well as Pat from the gun club, or I'm sorry, not the gun club, the model club. He said he's been pretty lucky and fortunate, so he didn't want to be in it. So we're going to pause this. There's that Mustang. That's the one I'm keeping. Alright, so let's go back and hit the share button. Copy link. Okay. And go to comment shark. enter that. Okay, I got that. Any authors? And pick a random YouTube comment, and hopefully it won't be Rambler69. All right, Tom, you said you didn't want to be in this, so okay. We're going to pick another one. Dirt Road Cinderella. Tiffany, that's you. And look at that. Tiffany, in case you didn't know or see that video, she's the one, her and her daughter made this for me. And that is just so totally awesome. But, alright, this is cool. Let me set the camera back for just a second here. Alright. Listen to me sing on Valentine's Day. So, probably over there. Switch that around so I can see me. And where am I? All right. Congratulations, Tiffany. You have won this Mustang and this Nova. I already have your address, so don't worry about sending me an email, and I'll get these out to you real soon. Thank you for watching, everybody. Thank you, all you Tinker pups, for not going barky crazy. And you guys have a great weekend. See you next time on Pappy Tinkers.